Chair is such a fun apparatus for trying some really cool balancing moves. This is one of my favorites. It's a hip balance. To start, we're gonna turn our chair to the side, and you may want to adjust exactly where this falls on your body. It's gonna be a little bit different on everybody. I like to put it just below my hip bones, where my legs would naturally bend at my hips. We're gonna take our hands and put them on the front of the chair. For level 1, just find your hips on the back of the chair and kind of practice putting some pressure onto your hips. It can be a little bit painful at first, so take your time. You can practice just lifting your toes up, kind of moving them out, just trying some fun, cute little sassy positions. Level 2, bend your arms just enough so that you can lay flat and bring your legs up. Again, just kind of play around with the different positions that you can do with your legs here. For level 3, fully bend those arms and dive your body down. I like to bend one knee and kind of hook it over the chair. This position then feels very, very secure and is actually a little bit more comfortable, I would say, than level 1 or level 2 because you're not putting as much weight on those hips. You can move between level 3 and level 2 with some just fun, sassy legs. And then we just come up and off the chair. If you're feeling very, very comfortable with levels 1 through 3, then I would suggest trying level 4. The trickiest part of this is that you want the chair to move from the front of your hip to the side. And you want to make sure that as you roll over, you bring that hip to the center of the back of the chair. If you roll over too much backwards, you will slide off the back of the chair. To start this one, we're going to go to level 2. Take your back hand. In this example, I'm using my right. Dive it through and grab the opposite back leg of the chair. Here's where I flip my hips over. Now you can see if you don't move to the middle of the chair, you'll just fall right off the back. And you can see that I'm putting a lot of my weight onto my right shoulder. Start by just practicing this roll, flipping, and then you can go back. So as you're doing that flip, make sure to slide your hip to the middle of the chair. Once we're in that correct position with the weight on our shoulder, you can then straighten the leg on the chair and straighten the other one. To come out, we bring our leg back to our other one and push back up into our level 2. Once you get comfortable with that, you can play with your arms and your legs, try some different things. This is, again, one of my very favorite things to do on a chair. It's such a fun position. Take your time, get into it slowly. If you have someone that can help spot you, please utilize them. Be safe and have fun. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you like and subscribe for more fun tips like this. We put out videos every single Wednesday that help you get stronger, learn new fun moves, and grow in your aerial journey. Let me know in the comments what other kinds of videos you would like to see from our coaches here at the Moxy Movement. We'll see you on the next video.